Welcome back to MilesWeb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to check my unique affiliate link? Open our website milesweb.com. Scroll down to footer and click on the affiliate link. Now click on login here. Enter the username and password that you have used during the sign up process. Click on login to my account. On the main dashboard, under standard linking code, this is the unique affiliate link of your account. Use this link to promote the MilesWeb hosting services. Orders received using this link would be eligible for the commission. That's how you can check the unique affiliate link from the MilesWeb affiliate account. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your affiliate queries.